I'm very happy to be here in Pakistan for the first visit. I'm delighted to accompany a group of different entities from Saudi Arabia. And we had today a very constructive meeting with the Special Investment Facilitation Council. The outcome of the meetings hopefully will be very fruitful for the cooperation between the two countries. Pakistan has quite a good potential in attracting investment, especially in different fields, among them mining, energy, agriculture, and IT. We will continue talking, and the intention is to reach good agreement that benefit both countries, win-win situation. Once again, I assure you that the leadership in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the custodian of the two holy mosques, and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince have interest in always enhancing the relation between the two countries.